Hello, welcome to ServiceCenter Service Manager JavaScript training. This is basic JavaScripting for ServiceCenter or Service Manager. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a script. In the script library, I am going to create my JavaScript. I'll call it my script. You can call it whatever you want. Click Add to add the record to the script library table. And then let me start typing this out. I'm going to create a function called checkSS. It's going to check whether or not an operator has self-service checked in their operator record. And I'll show you that in a minute where this check is going to look. Okay, so function checkSS name. Name is the name of the field that's being passed. That's going to look in the operator record name field. So create a variable called the ops, and we'll make it a new SC file operator. So this creates an object record of the operator table, and it's going to allow me to do it's like opening up a form to search on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this ops variable and search for specific names. Once again, the name is the field in the operator record that has the user's login name. Okay, now let's create another variable. We'll call it find op. We're going to use this to do the query. We'll call it find op equals the ops dot do select and we want the name to equal the name that's being passed in. So it's saying search against the operator record where the name field is equal to name, the name that's being passed into this checkSS function. Create another variable here called ESSVal. This variable is going to contain the true or false value coming from the operator record. So we'll call it the ops dot ESS underscore access underscore only, and in the operator record this field is seen as ESS dot instead of underscore. We use underscores when we're using JavaScript to refer to the file. Here is Heather's ESS.access.only field, and you can see that it is checked. Her login name, the name field, is Heather Chan. We'll also look at Falcon. Falcon's name field is Falcon, and the self-service access is not checked. So Falcon's operator record should return false to us, and Heather's should return a true. So, and this will be contained in the ESSVal. As you see, ESSVal equals the ops, the query's returned result, the ESS access only field, that returned result. So what I want to do though is, before I display the information, I want to convert either the true or false value to a yes or a no. So we're just sort of adding a little bit of functionality here. So we're going to use an if. If ESSVal, we're going to compare it to false using equals equals. We're going to say if ESSVal equals false, then ESVal equals no. So that'll say that the self-service checkbox is not checked. Else, if, so we're really saying here otherwise, if ESSVal equals true, then we want ESSVal, its value to become yes. So let me just finish that. Okay, we're almost done here. And now let's end the if statement. Now what I want to do is print our returned value. So when we run the function, part of the function, the last step is going to print the statement self-service is checked. And we'll add add to that the ESS val result. So it's either going to be yes or no. So it'll say self-service is checked, yes or no. So whatever operator name field value we pass to this function, it'll return either yes or no to let us know whether or not this person is a self-service user or not a self-service user. So now that the function is complete, we need to call the function. So it's called checkSS. So I'll get the name field value, which is heatherchan@acme.com. And her self-service is checked, so it should get a yes result. So checkSS, and then heatherchan@acme.com. I'll save and compile as I have to do with each change to the script, and execute. And there we have it. Self-service checked, yes. So Heather Chan self-service is checked. Let me do the same for, let me run it against Falcon now. It's not checked, and the name field has the word Falcon, so I'm going to pass the word Falcon to the checkSS field. And once again, I have to save and compile, and then I can execute it. And the result is self-service is checked, no. So there we have it.